three-time defending champions, the Believers. Wow. Kamusta yun para sa'yo, Mr. Fu?
Grabe, akala ko aangat itong inuupuan ko. Wala akong masabi. For a very strange reason, di ko alam kung bakit may gamot dito sa ilalim. Para sa bakit ng ulo ko. Galing ata sa friend ni Rufa ito. Gamot. Ingat daw. Echos! Afraid! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Hindi nga mo kung bakit may gamot dito. Hindi ko na sabihin yung brand. But anyway, ang galing ninyo. At nakita ko yung VTR kanina. Talagang every episode, iba yung ginagawa nyo, iba yung ipinapakita ninyo. Napaka-talented ninyo at talagang malayo ang mararating ninyo. Sana isama ninyo ako.
Thank you very much, Mr. Fu. Gladys, were you impressed?
Bago yun, of course, Happy Father's Day, right?
Thank
Alam
you.
kong feel na feel mo na ang pagiging daddy sa asawa ko, kay Christopher. Happy Father's Day. At syempre sa top ako, Happy Father's Day. The Believers, believe na believe pa rin ako sa inyo hanggang ngayon. Simula nung nag-judge ako dito noon, Little Mermaid, hanggang ngayon, Phantom of the Opera. Ang kinis, ang linis ng boses niya. Pagamat sa bandang ending lang, parang medyo nawala ng konti. Pero alam mo, sa kabuuan, wala yung sinabi sa laki ng iginaling pa ninyo. Kaya, eto talaga. Tingin ko ang gabing ito para sa inyo pa rin.
Thank you, Gladys. Rupa.
The Believers, ang ganda ng props, ang ganda ng setting ng stage, mga costumes. I'm very happy na nakinig kayo sa akin at sa aming lahat last week. Dahil last week wala kayo dito. Kinakabahan sila. Talagang halatang ninenervyos sila. So sabi namin, i-enjoy nyo lang. Anyway, panalo na rin kayo ng 150,000. This is their 4th win, if ever. So I'm very happy na nakinig kayo. And mukha kayong relax na relax ngayon. Kahit ngayon, hindi na kayo ninenervyos. Ini-enjoy nyo lang. At mas nakikita namin yung galing ninyo. So I'm still for the Believers.
Let's go! Thank you very much, Rupa. Direk, what do you think?
Matagal ako nawala pero pinapanood ko talagang talentado and I've seen over the weeks kung anong mga kinanta nyo. In fact, mga 2 weeks ago, parang gumawa pa sila ng opera. They sang from the Magic Flute, which is an operatic song, Queen of the Night. Tapos the following week, you did a soul song. Although mayroong high notes, it's from a I forgot that group. Parang 4-part group na girls group yun eh. Yung ginawa nyo, di ba? So talagang lahat ng genre of music ginagawa nyo. Ang gusto ko talaga mangyari sa inyo is you get formal training because pagdating sa talent, it is there. Pero kung wala kayong technique, sometimes sasabit talaga. You're still young. There's a long ways for you to go. Those are beautiful voices. Pwede mag-chest tone. Pwede silang mag-soprano dun sa taas. Has a very wide range. So just keep it up, keep it up, keep it up.
Thank you very much, Direk. The Believers, thank you very much. Maya-maya lang magkikita tayo ulit para malaman natin kung kayo ulit ang mananalong bilang champion for tonight. Magkita tayo sa results later on. But in the meantime, pwede kayo magpahinga backstage. See you later, guys. Once again, The Believers, ladies and gentlemen. Siyempre, hindi natin pwedeng palagpasin ang birthday ni Miss Rufa Gutierrez na wala man lang sorpresa. Ito ang umpisa sa aming regalo para sa'yo. Rufa, please watch this.
Glamorous, sophisticated, at napakabait magbigay ng comment.
Nakikita ko sa mata nyo, malungkot kayo. Huwag na kayong malungkot kasi sa boses nyo pa lang, marami na kayong napapasaya. Isa na ako doon.
Yan ang pagkakakilala natin sa ating very beautiful na resident talent scout na si Miss Rufa Gutierrez. Ngayon na birthday niya, ang mga kaibigan at loved ones naman niya ang hihingan natin ng comment tungkol sa kanya. Ano kaya ang kanilang masasabi?
Si Rufa, pag ano yan, talagang nasa phone lang parati, nag-tweet. Yung dead man na siya sa nangyayari. Basta makapag-tweet lang siya, yun ang talagang kaligayahan niya sa buhay. Pwede na nga siyang PRO ng Twitter eh.
Rufa is one of the funniest persons I know. And I think what makes her really funny is the fact that she doesn't try to be funny, but she is naturally funny. Comedian siya talaga, natural comedian.
Si Rufa talaga kasi she's basically a funny person. She loves life.
Mahilig siyang lumabas. Mahilig siya makipagkwentuhan sa mga kaibigan na babae pag may problema siya. ang hilig niya magpa-party. Tapos yung bang i-organize niya yung party kahit busy siya.
Dahil sa kanyang pagiging fun-loving and very positive, hindi nakapagtataka kung bakit madaming blessings ang dumadating kay Rufa. Nadagdagan palalo ang blessings niya nang dumating ang kanyang dalawang angels na si Lauren and Venice. Kamusta naman kaya siya bilang isang mommy?
For several years now, I've just been, doing some outfits for the girls on their birthdays and doing special costumes for Rufa as well. So Rufa, when it comes to fashion, I think she is very meticulous and she's quite, flamboyant when it comes to the designs for herself and especially for her girls.
Every time po talaga siya nag-check sa mga kids niya. Talagang, anong balita, Day? Kumusta mga bata? Anong nangyari? Yun, sinasabi na, explain namin, ganyan. Tapos, pag may time siya ulit, check ulit, Day, mga bata, anong kinain, ganyan. Lagi talagang sinicheck niya yan.
Si Rufa naman, talagang kulirang ina siya. Wala akong masasabi dyan dahil yan, trabaho, lang siya talaga, mga bata.
Aba, metikuloso at stricto pala ang ating beauty queen pagdating sa kanyang mga daughters. Ang mga little darlings niya kaya may ibubuking tungkol sa kanya?
I know that my mom is a beauty queen and she won Miss Philippines. We always look at her pictures. And she's so intelligent and she's so pretty. Mommy always kisses me every morning. Every night when Mommy tells me stories, and I always sleep beside her. Play and read the Bible and pray and travel to different places. And we go to the spa and eat outside. She likes steaks, but spicy. Mommy's so funny. Mommy tries to sing, but it's out of tune. Mommy let me head on international school. It was awards day. I got 5 awards. My yaya and my mommy were crying. They were so proud. My mommy always told me to be good and to pray. I want to be like mommy when I grow up.
Talaga namang aside from being glamorous and sophisticated, superwoman si Rufa. She's a friend, a career woman, daughter, and a loving mother. Kaya naman lahat ng nagmamahal sa kanya are wishing her nothing but the best.
With or without paparazzi, you know that I'll always be here for you. Thank you for all the support, for the friendship, and keep blooming. And I hope your Mr. Right finally comes because you deserve all the best, all the happiness. I love you, girl. Thank you.
Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, Rufa Gutierrez. At alam ko na wala ka nang mahihiling pang material na bagay sa mundo ngayon dahil nasa iyo na ang lahat. Isa lang na hinihiling ko ang sana'y maging maligaya kayo mag-iina, si Lauren at si Venice, at sana magkaroon na ng paninindigan yung mga lalaki dyan na umaaligid pero ayaw umamin. Kailangan magkaroon na siya ng B, as in B. Happy birthday, anak. Thank you. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo.
Rufa, now that it's your birthday, I wish you only the best and the brightest. You're such a wonderful mom to your 2 kids, and I know a lot of good things are coming your way, so I wish you double portions of that. Happy birthday.
Rufa, I'd like to wish you all the best on your birthday. It's really nice to know you as a person, as a friend, and I wish you all the luck to your family, to your kids, and of course to your career.
Rufa, I wish you all the best, and I thank you for being so kind and gracious all the time. More happiness and success to you, and good luck as well in love and in life, and all the best to you. Happy birthday, Rufa. I wish you more projects, more endorsements, and loads of blessings, loads of happiness, and loads of love.
Rufa, happy birthday. Congratulations sa lahat ng magandang show mo ngayon sa TV.